Hi, good morning everyone. How are you? Hopefully everyone is fine. Today I'm going to show you and I'm going to telling you how do you will grow your vanda hybrid or vanda. When you are growing your vanda, then when your vanda will be very tall, keep on growing, flowering, then you have to replant your vanda. So you can cut here, you can cut here 2 or 3 roots. You can cut here, then you plant with the charcoal, stone, any other media, or you can hang also without media. So I'm going to show you now that how I cut the plant. This plant I just cut almost 2 months ago. Just cut here. I cut here and I replant here. You can see I replant here. I replant here. I plant with the charcoal. Some I plant with the stone. You can see the stone, right? Okay. So this is another plant already. I cut here. This is my original plant. So now I'm going to show you. You see, I cut here. Then the new wavy came here, right? Then another one is here. So one plant I can make another two. I cut here, then two wavy came. So next time, another 2 weeks later, I will cut here. I will cut here, then I will replant. And another one is I will cut bottom part also. So two kiki I got. So look at here. This also I cut, but I got the baby. Don't throw away the bottom part, please. So you can see I cut that plant here. The baby came here. The baby came here. The baby. Every plant have baby. Look at that plant. I cut here. The baby already here. So next time I will cut here, then I replant. I will get the another baby, another plant. So most probably vanda is not very difficult like Catalia, other orchid. Vanda is a very easy to grow. Make sure the watering and the media depends how you grow, it depends on your weather also. You can look at my plants. You can see the bottom part I put the stone, on top I put charcoal. Some I put only stone only, just stone only. You can see stone and the charcoal. You can see my root. You can see root. This all I just 2 months ago I just replant. It's a growing. It's a growing. So I will show you today. I'm not showing you how to cut. Another day, another video will come, and I will make another video how you will replant or repot your orchid. Thank you so much.